Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present the innovation to control pests using physical control. This is the prototype to control porcupine in oil palm plantation. Before I go to the next slide, may I introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Sabaruddin and I am from AT1104C, and name of the lecturer is Nur Haslinda Arun, and then the subject is AGR 244. Next, we go to the next slide. Alright, next we go to the introduction. What is pest? A pest is any animal or plant harmful to human or human concern. The term is particularly used for creatures that damage crop, livestock, and forestry or cause of nuisance to people. They are these pest is divided into two, which is insect pest and then non-insect pest. The example of insect pest is nettle caterpillar, bedworm, rhinoceros beetle, and then the non-insect pest is like pig, porcupine, and elephant. Alright, everyone. Next, we go to the problem statement, which is about porcupine. Porcupine is a rodent mammals that is active at night. The body of the porcupine is covered with hair that has been modified into thorns. And then the habitat of porcupine live in forests and agricultural area. Porcupine nests can be found in soil, rock, and tree trunk. Porcupine also inhabit oil palm estate area. In oil palm estate, porcupine become pests for destroying oil palm crops. Many attacks occur on newly planted oil palm seedling. Porcupine eat oil palm buds and cause damage and destruction to the attacked crops. We go to the prototype. This is a prototype porcupine traps. This is the idea that I have been to do it because and then we can put the sensor under there, and then we can put the base. Then the porcupine can insert at this trap, and then the trap is the door of the traps can close, and then the porcupine uh, cannot going out. Alright, this is how it's work. These traps are covered with palm frond to prevent porcupine from being able to detect them. Food that smell like a stinky bean is placed for bait purpose. The smelly bait is placed on the foot of the trap door, and then the sensor detect because the trap door has been closed, and the indicated that an animal has entered the trap. And then the sensor automatically send a signal to a used gadget such as a phone. This is useful because it can give the signal to the users of the traps. Alright, next we go to the estimate budget. This is the cost of the one porcupine traps. The porcupine traps are usually 130 ringgit, and then the sticky bean for 1 kilogram is 15 ringgit, and then the expensive is the sensor can connect to the device, which is 220 ringgit, and the total is 365 ringgit. Alright, let's go to the next slide. Alright, every technology have their pros and cons. Same like my gadget or my technology also. My advantage and disadvantage of my gadget is The advantage is firstly can simplify our work by not too often to see such trap because of having sensor facilities. And then the second one is did not torture the porcupine for being left in the trap for too long. And then the lastly able to save the environment by not using any pesticide. And then the advantage is the sensor battery cannot accommodate the battery capacity in a few days. And the lastly is using a relative high cost. Alright, next we go to the conclusion. The conclusion that I have done with my technology is these traps have been upgraded from no sensor to have sensor to make it easier for manpower to wait for the animal to enter the traps. In addition, technology or tools like this can make it easier to manpower to eradicate pests that are rampant in the farm area. That's all from me. Thank you. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.